In this tarot insight, we are looking into Sushant Singh Rajput and Kriti Sanan's relationship. And I have used this Ibis tarot deck, the Egyptian tarot deck, because Kriti is known to be very stylish. So let's see what insights we get into it, okay? This is the part of the series where we are finding out what kind of relationship Sushant had surrounded himself with, considering the fact that he was killed, murdered, or what happened in his own house, right? So that is the whole idea of doing this reading, so that we as his fan can bring some closure to the pain or agony that we are going at his sudden demise, okay? So let's see what kind of relationship. Let's see what our angels have to say about what kind of relationship Sushant and Kriti were having. All right. Three of Pentacles in reverse, which means that they were working on their relationship, but nothing was really working out. Things were not really fine, but they were working on their relationship. Nine of Pentacles in reverse means that what I'm getting from the card is that there was a lot of difference at a physical level, if you could call it, okay? Difference at a very material level, you can call that, where you can say that when you are from two different worlds, where your match, there are a lot of clashes in what you believe in, maybe they were like from two different worlds, where she was more into material things and more a more grandeur lifestyle, more splendor, and more lavishness, okay? Because it is in reverse order. Nine of Pentacles is all about luxury, it's all about money, it's all about a Venus energy. And when it is in reverse, it means that yes, they were having problems in matching the vibes. Maybe he was more ground to earth and she was more flamboyant and more lavish, and she believed in finer things of life, because Nine of Pentacles is a Venus energy, beautiful fine things. And it's in reverse, which means that they were having a issue in balancing the wavelength or matching the lifestyles, but they were working on their relationship. But definitely we see that both the cards are Pentacles, which means that money was really important, lifestyle, money, status, and all such things were coming in picture, and that was probably the reason for their differences, okay? And all the three cards are in reverse order. Warrior of Scepters is in reverse order. One of Cups. Six of Scepters, Six of Wands. Six of Wands. What I'm getting from this card is that the Death card, okay. So you have a Six of Wands here, जिसका मतलब है कि Sushant was really very happy with this relationship, he was really proud of Kriti, and he really loved her. ऐसा तो नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि लव, दिस रिलेशनशिप में लव का बहुत कमी था, बिकॉज यू हैव नो कप्स कार्ड. सो इमोशंस वॉज रियली मिसिंग इज what I'm getting from the cards. And this card for Sushant, I think this relationship for Sushant was more like something that he was very proud of, something that he like you win something and you want to show, and it was like he was very proud of her. And यही this is the strong feeling that I'm getting, that he was very proud of her, and he was very proud of she being in his life. It was more like very proud to have her in his life, but there were problems with things were not matching, and both of them were working on their relationship, लेकिन बैलेंस नहीं हो पा रहा था. There were problems in matching the wavelength, or maybe the two different worlds that they came from. And Sushant, I think, was all the way very proud of her, of having Kirti or Kriti, whatever her name is, in his life. But I think he also lost the grounding in this relationship. He couldn't he lost his confidence, is what I'm getting. Uh, एक scattered energy create करके गया है उनके life में ये relationship, and he was looking for more. एक ऐसा हुआ कि after this relationship, and this relationship kind of came to an end, okay? It came to a premature end, is what I'm getting. Judgment card is a resurrection card, which is like एक ऐसा एनर्जी है जहाँ पे कोई बैलेंस नहीं है, देयर इज मोर ऑफ फिजिकल वर्ल्ड चार्म. एक होता है जो एक शोबिज में कैरिड अवे हो जाने का एक एनर्जी होता है, एक दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी दैट इज विजिबल. He was very proud of her, but because the relationship में एक grounding नहीं है, तो he got very carried away in this relationship. एक scattered energy हो गया, जिसके कारण आप कह सकते हो कि एक ठहराव जो लाइफ में होता है, एक ग्राउंडिंग होता है जो एक जेन्युइन रिलेशनशिप के कारण आपके लाइफ में रहता है, जो कि आपको बताता है क्या सही है क्या नहीं है. तो उस तरह का चीज़ मिसिंग होने लगा उनके लाइफ में, ओके. And he became very scattered, and he was like because these things were not working out in his relationship, it came to a premature death of this relationship. और उसके बाद एक ऐसा एनर्जी आ रहा है जहाँ पे he became more aggressive, or he wanted to have that he wanted to be into another relationship, is what I'm getting. The idea जो मैं कहना चाह रही हूँ वो ये है कि क्वाइट पॉसिबली ये रिलेशनशिप उनको इतना हर्ट किया है कि उनको एक he was missing a grounding in his relationship, a shoulder to share his things, because we knew that there is a lot of show off in this showbiz, and there is a lot of money and wealth and everything, but there is also a lack of meaning in life. तो एक लोगों को ज़रूरत होता है जिसके you need a shoulder to cry on. तो he really became interested in having a genuine relationship. तो ये सब जब end हुआ तो he became a little scattered, एक grounding ख़त्म हो गया उनके life से, and he was really looking forward to a new relationship where he can emotionally connect with somebody, okay? तो ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि कृति के साथ जो उनका relationship था वो बहुत ही उनको एक void create करके गया उनके life में. एक खालीपन कह सकते हो, because especially he was very proud of her, okay? He was like proud of her to have such a, ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि he was very proud of having this beautiful girl who looks like a dream, and she is perfect in every way, but they are from two different worlds and the things are not matching, and because of which they are having problem in understanding each other. उस तरह का vibes है, because of which everything came to an end prematurely, okay? जिसके कारण एक वैक्यूम क्रिएट हुआ उनके लाइफ में, एंड ही रियली फेल्ट कि ही नीड्स समबडी टू गेट हिम ग्राउंडेड, जो कि उनको समझ सके, जिनके साथ वो शेयर कर सके हर चीज़. तो इस तरह का एनर्जी आया है कृति और सैनन के रिलेशनशिप में, ओके. अब लेट्स सी व्हाट मोर गाइडेंस वी गेट फ्रॉम हिम. God's goddess, angels, archangels, spirit cards, spirit guides, Matur Kema Kali Om Ganeshaaya Namah Japa Chambali. Thank you so much.